Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into an in-depth review of Creator AI, one of the most advanced AI writing tools available in 2024. If you're a content creator, digital marketer, or writer, this review is for you. Stick around to find out why Creator AI might be the perfect tool for you. Let's start with understanding. What is Creator AI and how does Creator AI work? Creator AI is an AI-powered content creation and SEO tool designed to streamline the writing process by generating high-quality, optimized content. It leverages advanced AI algorithms to understand language patterns and user intent, making it a valuable asset for anyone involved in digital content creation. Now, one important question is, what are the main features of Creator AI? AI-driven content generation. Creator AI leverages advanced machine learning algorithms to generate high-quality content based on user inputs. It understands context and language variations to produce engaging and relevant text for various purposes, from blog posts to social media updates. Keyword tracking and SEO audits. The tool tracks 30 to 80 keywords, helping you monitor and optimize your content's performance in search engines. Real-time SEO audits provide actionable insights to improve your content's visibility and ranking. Real-time SEO optimization and analytics. The tool provides real-time feedback on your content's SEO performance, offering suggestions to improve keyword usage, readability, and overall SEO score. This ensures your content is always optimized for search engines. Content templates. Creator AI offers a variety of templates for different types of content, such as blog posts, ad copy, social media posts, and more. These templates are designed to save you time and ensure your content is structured and professional. Multilingual support. With support for over 40 languages, Creator AI enables you to create content for a global audience. This feature is particularly useful for businesses targeting international markets or multilingual communities. One of the important elements that I analyze any tool on is its ease of use. So, is Creator AI easy to use and accessible? Yes, absolutely. In fact, one of the standout aspects of Creator AI is its ease of use. The interface is user-friendly, and it integrates seamlessly with platforms like Google Drive, Slack, and Jira. Whether you're a solo writer or part of a team, Creator AI is designed to fit smoothly into your workflow. Next, I am going to jump to one very crucial element, that is the cost. And if you ask, what is the pricing structure of Creator AI? Well, Creator AI offers 3 plans. Each plan comes with a 7-day free trial, so you can test out the features before committing. Let me break down. Which Creator AI plan is most suited for which target audience? Basic plan, $19 per month, suitable for individual users needing essential features. Includes 300,000 characters, 40 AI images, and access for 1 user. Standard plan, $49 per month, ideal for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. Offers unlimited characters, 60 AI images, 1 brand identity, and advanced SEO features. Professional plan, $99 per month, best for small teams and agencies. Includes all features of the standard plan plus access for up to 5 users, 80 AI images, and enhanced SEO tools. Here comes the interesting part of the review, the pros and cons analysis. Now let's come to the breakdown, beginning with, what are the pros of Creator AI? Seamless integration. Integrates smoothly with popular platforms like Google Drive, Slack, and Jira. Advanced SEO tools. Offers comprehensive SEO features, including keyword tracking and real-time audits. Extensive language support. Supports over 40 languages, making it versatile for global content creation. User-friendly interface. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. High-quality content generation. Produces engaging, relevant, and SEO-optimized content quickly. What are the cons of Creator AI? Steep learning curve. Advanced features may require time to master, especially for new users. Limited immediate support. Customer support is primarily via email, which may not be instant. Higher costs for advanced plans. Professional plan may be expensive for small businesses or individuals. Dependence on internet connectivity. Requires stable internet for optimal performance. Potential over-reliance on AI may not capture nuanced expertise, as well as a human writer in specialized topics. Moving ahead, one crucial element that makes a tool stand out is the ability to surpass its competition in the market. So, how does Creator AI perform compared to other AI writing tools? Compared to tools like Jasper AI, Creaitor AI holds its own with competitive pricing and robust SEO features. While Jasper AI is also powerful, Creaitor AI offers better value for money, especially for users focused on SEO. How many languages does Creaitor AI support? Well, Creaitor AI supports over 40 languages, making it a versatile tool for users looking to produce content in multiple languages. This feature is particularly useful for creating content that resonates with a global audience. As we move towards end, let me state, what is my verdict on Creaitor AI? In my experience, Creaitor AI is a powerful tool for anyone serious about content creation and SEO. It offers a comprehensive suite of features at a competitive price point. However, it sometimes loses control of the content flow and sounds too robotic. Considering all the factors that we discussed in the review, on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it a good 3.8. It's a great investment for content creators looking to streamline their workflow and improve their content quality. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and tips.